In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GoDaddy Website Builder. This process is quite straightforward and shouldn't take you more than a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to need to log in and make your way to your GoDaddy product page. This is where all your GoDaddy products are neatly listed, making it easy for you to locate what you need. All you need is your login credentials, which should be the same ones you used when you set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to a dashboard displaying all the products and services you have with GoDaddy. Now, as you scroll through the page, direct your attention to the Websites Plus Marketing section. This area houses all sorts of tools and services for building and managing websites and online marketing efforts. Find the specific website you want to edit and click on the Manage button situated right next to it. This click will transport you directly to the management section related to that particular website. Once you're in, you'll see an option that says Edit Website. Go ahead and select it. This will take you into the website builder itself, where any prior work or website creations you've done with GoDaddy can be edited or adjusted. The environment may seem familiar if you've made edits before, or entirely new if this is your first time using it. When you are in the website editor, focus your attention toward the Settings tab. The Settings tab is crucial because this is where important adjustments and configurations can be made, including major actions like unpublishing or deleting a website. It's often overlooked because people focus more on design elements, but today it's going to be the star of our show. Once you're in the Settings tab, you'll find the option to Unpublish. Clicking on Unpublish is your action of choice to remove the website. It's important to note that unpublishing will take your site offline, meaning it won't be accessible to visitors anymore. However, it doesn't delete the site permanently, but it's a significant step toward deactivating it on the web. So just to recap, you've logged in, navigated to the product page, managed your selected website, entered its editor, directed yourself to the Settings tab, and finally, you've clicked on Unpublish. With these steps completed, you've successfully removed your GoDaddy website from its active online status. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more instructions and useful tips. Feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below, and we'll try our best to help out. See you in the next video.